Welcome all, my dear friends. Let us enter into another significant arena of the world of patents, that is known as patent drafting. So, after having a lots of discussions on the most significant sections, rules, and forms of the Patents Act 1970 and the Patents Rules 2003, respectively, let us enter into this beautiful and most important arena of the world of patents. Okay, so let us continue with patent drafting. Fine. So, patent drafting or otherwise we can say patent specification writing. Okay, and today I have taken the topic patent specification. Okay, so let us proceed with this. Now, a beautiful thought, friends. Just listen it carefully. Grasp the essence from the seed and let it drip from your fingertips. I'm again reading it, friends. Grasp the essence from the seed and let it drip from your fingertips. And that's called drafting. I hope it is clear. Fine. That means I have tried to explain you this term drafting in a literal way with showing some beautiful clips. Fine. I hope you get it. Okay. So let us proceed. Now we will have a comparison because whenever we say what is a draft, normally we go to its literal meaning. Fine. So first of all, we will go to the literal meaning of a draft. Fine. Okay. We can say that a draft is a preliminary version of a piece of writing. Fine. Or it is or we can say a draft is a written order to pay a specified sum. Fine. So this is the normal and literal meaning of draft. Now we will go towards what is a patent draft. Fine. Because this is the demand of our legal world or the world of patents. Fine. Okay. Let us see. A patent draft is a technical document presented in a legal format that has two primary functions. Fine. Number one is to establish novelty, and point number two is to establish inventive step or non-obviousness of an invention. Fine. Also, we can note it that patent drafting is the process of writing the patent description and claims. Fine. When the patent is issued, the draft is the specification part of the document. So, whenever you will try to understand the meaning of this statement that I have written in the note part, then your confusions will be clarified. Fine. So, just remember, patent drafting is the process of writing the patent description and claims. Fine. And when the patent is issued, the draft is the specification part of the document. Fine. So, the comparison has been done. Let us proceed. Now, patent specification. So, what is it? Okay. Patent specification is a unilateral statement made by the applicant. Fine. It describes the invention and sets out the scope of protection of the patent. Okay. Every patent application shall be accompanied by a provisional or a complete specification. Okay. But friends, the exception is there. See, for this point, I am again reading it. Every patent application shall be accompanied by a provisional or complete specification, whereas it has some exception. The exception is international patent applications. Fine. And for this, that means if you want to be more clarified, or if you want a more clear explanation for this point, please refer section 7 subsection 4 of the Patent Act 1970. Fine. Okay. Now, provisional specification. It is filed when the invention is at its initial stage or not completed. Fine. Second point. Moreover, it is filed at a time when the applicant feels that it's the time for the invention to be noticed by the public. Fine. Next point. Its main objective is to gain the priority date for an invention. Or we can say the main objective of a provisional specification is to freeze the priority date. Fine. Okay. Next point. The applicant gets a time period of 12 months. That is from the date of filing of the provisional specification. Fine. So the applicant gets a time period of 12 months to file a complete specification. Fine. And for this, friends, for this particular point, please refer section 9 subsection 1 of the Patent Act 1970. Fine. Now, provisional specification continue. That means it is not finished yet. Okay. Okay. First point. It has continued for, but I am saying that this is the first point for this slide. Okay. It is the base for the complete specification. That means the provisional specification is the base for the complete specification. Okay. If any new matter is found in the complete specification, then the priority date of the claim of that new matter will be the date on which complete specification was filed. Okay, so listen it carefully, friends. If any new matter is found in the complete specification, the first point was actually it is the base for the complete specification. What is the meaning of this statement? The meaning of this statement is that whatever is mentioned in the provisional application, that only can be reflected in the complete specification. No new matter can be added there. If it is added, the second point tells you that thing. If any new matter is found in the complete specification, then it cannot get the facility of the priority date that is gained through the provisional application. Okay, that's why it is written as if any new matter is found in the complete specification, then the priority date of the claim of that new matter will be the date on which complete specification was filed. Fine. And for this, please refer section 11 of the Patent Act 1970. Fine. Now another point from the provisional specification. Fine. The patent can be revoked on the grounds that the claim of a complete specification is not fairly based on the matter disclosed in the specification. And that specification may be either provisional or complete. Okay, that means this provides a ground for the revocation of the patent. Fine. And for this, please refer section 64 subsection 1 clause I of the Patents Act 1970. Fine. Okay. Provisional specification still continued. Okay. Both provisional and complete specifications are independent documents. They are not dependent on each other. Okay. In a previous slide, I have told that provisional specification is the base. Okay. But it is not said anywhere that one is dependent on the other. Okay. And what is the meaning of that statement? That also I have explained there. Fine. Okay. Now see, provisional specification starts with the title and the description of the invention. How? Just see. It starts with the preamble. Okay. Within the quoted remarks, you can see the following specification describes an invention ... like this. This is the way. That means how to start it. Fine. So, a new word is there, that is preamble. So, what is a preamble? Preamble is the introductory part of a statute or deed stating its purpose, aims and justification. Okay. So friends, whenever you are getting stuck with some words, please try to find their literal meaning. Then you can very well get the essence of that word and the sentence, although it is from a legal word. Fine. Okay. Now questions for you friends. Okay. So the first question is, do provisional specifications have claims? Next question is, are provisional specifications examined? Are provisional specifications examined? So please answer these two questions in my comment box. Okay. So please go through all the slides, and please go through different, I can say that please search some specifications in the search engine, in any search engine, so that you can get an idea. Fine. Okay, then keep learning, keep enjoying. Fine. Okay. So friends, enrich your brain cell with proper food and proper knowledge. So thank you all my dear friends for listening to me and watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please keep questioning. Please keep learning and keep enjoying. Thank you so much. God bless you. Jai Hind.